Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to turn off keyboard typing sound on Samsung Galaxy A07. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings applications. This is where you manage everything about your device, from apps and connections to display and sound preferences. Step 2. Once you're inside the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. This section allows you to manage how your phone rings, vibrates, and responds to touches. Step 3. In the Sounds and Vibration menu, look for the option called System Sound. Tap on it, and here you'll see multiple toggles for things like touch sounds, charging sounds, and keyboard sounds. Locate the option labeled Samsung Keyboard and simply switch it off. That's it, your Samsung keyboard will now be silent when typing. Step 4. But what if you're not using the Samsung keyboard? Many people prefer using Gboard, Google Keyboard, or another third-party keyboard. In that case, go back to the main Settings menu, scroll down, and open General Management. Step 5. Tap on Keyboard List and Default, then select your active keyboard, for example, Gboard. From there, go to Preferences. Scroll down until you see Sound on Key Press. Toggle it off, and your typing sound will be disabled instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.